Hello friends, my name is Govind Gupta and I am from Khalilabad, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from KPM College of Engineering and Technology, Gida Gorakhpur, which is affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. After that, I am searching for a job. Then I got to know about Vision TechnoServe Private Limited. Vision TechnoServe Private Limited is a IT recruitment and consulting company. And in Vision TechnoServe, I had a full day job internship under the guidance of Mr. Ganesh Murthy sir. The internship program consists of CCNA, networking, server administrator, cyber security, ITIL, etc. In server administrator, I learned the topic like domain joining, DSCP, DNS work group, and various troubleshooting like Windows troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, and in CCNA I learned the topic like routing and switching and various routing protocols, and regarding to cyber security. I learned the topic like various hacking and cracking passwords by using Kali or Linux. In ITIL, I also learned the topic SLA, OLA, incident request, service request, ticketing tools, etc. Vision is one of the best institute in India. The trainers here are well experienced. Every trainers get opportunity to get placed in in MNC companies. Presentation, mock, and grooming classes make us to improve technical skills and communication skills. I got job offered in with Precision Infomatic Private Limited. Salary offered 2.68 LPA. Heartful thank you to entire team of Vision. Thank you.